Hey y'all, Kaya here of WayUpGoodies, and we are going to make one of our, babe, I think this is probably our favorite meal that we make, right?
Yeah, absolutely.
Because we love seafood, and if we had the money, we would just eat seafood, well, shellfish, all the time, okay? So, tonight, our dinner, we have some okay-ish looking crab legs from Sam's Club. We got, this is a 2-pound bag. They normally look better, but whatever. It is what it is. It's a hard time right now. We got shrimp. This is 2 pounds, right? A 2-pound bag of shrimp.
16 to 20.
Yeah. You can use any size you want, whatever, but this is what we like to use because Acme always has it on sale.
Acme shit.
I mean, Acme, alright. It's expensive. Y'all need to make y'all try. That's it.
That's it.
So thanks, Acme, for shrimp. Okay, and now, let's get into the goodness. So we have a shit ton of butter. How much butter? It's probably altogether maybe like a stick of butter. So I'm gonna say it's
8 tablespoons.
Probably like 9 tablespoons of butter. But so we have, here is our infused butter, our rosin infused butter, and then up here we have our rosin infused coconut oil. We felt like if we use a little coconut oil, it'd be just a little bit better for you, but it's still a lot of butter. And then we just have like regular uninfused butter, okay? And we have garlic. So I have fresh chopped garlic and then some minced garlic because they both have different flavors and together they're just really, really good. Then we get into the seasoning. So Cajun seasoning, we're gonna use garlic salt, little onion powder, ground black pepper, we have some parsley, and it's just a little bit of, what are they, scallions, chives. I guess, chives. Oh, okay.
Green onion.
Green onion, yeah. Chives, I like chives. A little bit of chives. So you can use whatever seasoning you want. We don't use a lot of Cajun seasoning just because I don't like things too spicy. Okay? So first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna melt our butter. Alright, so we're gonna put our butter in, okay? So people do their, I guess, crab boils differently. Everyone does something differently. Some people just throw it all in a giant pot. Some seasoning, some butter, do that, let it do their thing. So yeah, we like to make all of our things separately. So we have some potatoes in the oven. We have our corn on the side. That's just, so it's like a deconstructed crab boil. So, crab bake, I guess, because we put ours in the oven. So we got our butter going. Now we're gonna add our garlic. I'd say use as much garlic as you want. Normally I would use more garlic than this because I love garlic. It's all about the garlic, especially when it comes to seafood, at least for me. So not too high, let it take its time. We're gonna let that do its thing. And then we're gonna add a little Cajun seasoning. Again, it's up to you. I don't want too much spice, and plus we're gonna add some at the end. That side is acting real funny, so I'll use that side. Oh, that look good. Seasoning is key.
You gotta season your food.
You got to. Garlic, salt. Ooh.
Season your right hand.
Yeah, I'll be right here. Ooh. You know what? You can't have too much.
Yeah, you can.
No, you can't.
Garlic salt? Yes, you can.
We got a little onion. You making me use my right hand? But yeah, okay. Onion powder.
You could have scooped it out, right?
Yeah, I could have. Sorry, it's a seasoned cloud. That's a delicious tasting cloud. I know it looks weird. Yeah, it does. That's that black pepper in there. By all means. Huh? Right? Shit, let's add more butter. There we go. That's a little bit. That's not really a tablespoon. Yeah?
Yeah.
The whole thing?
The one I saw put 2 full sticks of margarine in her bake.
Alright, this is margarine?
Yeah.
Alright, y'all.
She said butter, but it was imperial. It's margarine.
That's that.
Butter and margarine are not the same thing, people.
No, that is not. There we go. Turn that down a little. It's alright.
Smelling good.
Yes, it is. This ain't
So
for you if you know. Yeah, I am. Sure, dude. Be kind to your wife.
I'm being kind to my
Let me see.
It's not for those with hearts that can't take it.
Ooh,
My bad.
of our yeah.
This has devolved into the debauchery.
Yeah, it has. Point. But you know what? That's cooking. Sometimes the recipe you be like, that ain't enough. That's not enough. So you go on, you do your thing. Adjust recipes if you need to. Okay. Yeah. Get them aromatics, y'all. Don't be shy. Oh, that smells good. It's like butter. You can smell a little bit of the concentrate. I can always smell a little bit of the concentrate, but can't taste it. Can smell it, but not taste it. A little bit, especially when it's like heating up. It's nice. It's just like a, oh yeah, that's right. We got a little bit more Cajun. Cajun baby.
Yeah. Becoming a fan of the garlic butter sweetness.
Yeah. Oh, sweetness. Thank you, sweetness. Cannot. The honey. Oh my goodness. Little bit of honey. You'll thank me. Don't worry. Okay. We're gonna leave that alone for a sec. This is what we're gonna cook it in. So just line that up. Now the reason we're doing this, using these, because we don't want to do any dishes. Okay. Anybody who can't eat seafood, whew, I'm sorry to hear it. Alright, now we're gonna put our shrimp in. Tuck it down, see, you can fill the gaps. Now, oh, let's go. Let's do that. That's bubbling butter. Ain't nothing like it. I wish y'all could smell this. Of course, oh no. Feel free to throw a little more seasoning if you want. Again, I use my cheese knife.
That is not what that knife is.
Well, it is because it just cuts butter just the right way.
Butter knives also cut butter the right way.
Yeah, but this is just so cute and perfect. There we go. Look at that.
Little Mary Savage.
I'm a savage. Listen here. Hey, don't start with me. Alright. Now, foil. Alright. My potatoes in the oven. The bottom right. Middle right.
Have it on 400.
400. We'll see. Sometimes it takes. I don't know. The time changes, differs. So sometimes it's exactly. Sometimes it takes like 20 minutes. We'll see. We're now gonna make our infused dipping butter. Butter for the dippage. We got a little pot here. Okay. We have something to stir it with here. So we have our butter. Once again, we have some of our infused butter here. Then we're gonna mix in a little regular butter. Get that in. Don't want it too high. Cook that down. And just let that all melt together. Now you can by all means do this with coconut oil if you have coconut oil instead. You can do this with a little butter, and if you have infused olive oil, just put a little olive oil in the butter, whatever. Okay, so we're gonna let that take its time. Okay, we have here some minced garlic. That's a good one. Okay. You wanna add just a touch of water. Little seasoning here. Tiny bit of Cajun, some onion powder, a little garlic salt. And then we got some fresh cut herbs. Oh my goodness, look at that. Nothing. Well, we gonna let that come together. Oh, the seasoning has a little bit of our canna sugar as well. So yeah. Let's get that to do something. We got some corn. That's some corn.
Isn't that just water?
No. Not like that. It's a little paprika, a little sugar, water, a little bit of margarine, black pepper. But that's all I'm gonna say. Yeah. That's it. And if you were to wrap that corn in foil, stick it in the oven or on the grill with all those same things, you know, minus the high amount of water. Oh, that shit. So that's it. Let's check on this here. Let me have a peek. Get my tongs. I may have peeked in a little earlier. Let's see that. Oh, look too bad. So because this pan, we got small pans. You know, it's just taking its time, but it's all right. We just smell so good.
Wish I could smell it.
All right. We had a little shrimp taste. It's ready. Oh, and it smells so good. My potatoes. Get my potatoes, baby. It just looks so good. Yeah, I'm gonna leave them in there now for a minute. All right. Okay. Let's see that. Oh my goodness.
Y'all. Love it, love it, love it.
All right, let's do this. We just gonna transfer. Look at that. And the rest. Oh. That's just too much goodness. Get in there so they can smell it.
I'm sure they can smell it.
Oh. Pour our garlic butter sauce. Garlic. All right, there you have it, all done. Rather simple. Like I said, a little bit of a deconstructed crab boil because we like everything to be separate. We got our corn, we got our delicious ranch potatoes, we got our shrimp and crab legs. Okay, infused, of course, can of butter, can of oil. And then we have our butter for dippage. Oh, and some bread. So this is the bread that you just buy at the grocery store that you pop in the oven, bake at home, I think it's called. Yeah, and it's nice and warm. So we are hungry and we had a little bit of edibles earlier, so we are very hungry. So we gonna get up in this, and don't forget to like and share and subscribe and share us with your friends and your family. Okay, that's it. Peace.